Now guys, coding on mobile is very interesting to know, because if you see, with mobile you can also make code, and with mobile you can run coding programs like C language, Python, HTML, and many more programs. Literally any programming language you can run on your mobile device with just your text editors or code readers. And I will be talking about a bunch of things in this very video. Mainly I will be talking about which are these apps or these websites. Secondly, how until what extent you should use these apps and websites. And thirdly, my best advice to you guys with respect to making the coding on mobile and learning your code on mobile. So let us get into this video and talk about these three questions mainly, and let's get into this video and talk about this stuff. First of all guys, there are a bunch of apps like SPC code editor or C coding, HTML editor. I think that there are literally each and every specific app for each and every specific language you can choose. So literally you can make code on a mobile. That is not that much hard. We just have to search on the Google Play Store literally, and you can get a list of literally different apps which are available there for making the code. So as what you have to do is you just have to search on Play Store that there are different coding language apps or coding. You will get a bunch of apps, literally each and every app here, like coding C, learning coding, programming Mimo. And I think that Mimo is the best app. I have tried it while learning the HTML and CSS stuff, and that is literally the best app I think to learn, and it is a fun type of app, personal recommendation. Secondly, there is Solo Learn to Code. It is a great app. I also have used this app because I have to use, like, literally I was just wondering how the coding works in mobile, so I tried Solo Learn app. It was very nice one. And Programming Hub, guys, this is I think that the best app to learn each and every programming language for complete beginner. In this app you will not get expert level guidance or expert level knowledge, but at least or each and everything that is literally here you will find each and every programming language course, like Android development or Python, HTML, everything with a nice graphic interface or animations and real life images, graphics. That makes this app very interesting, and that's why I love this app to learn as a complete beginner. And there is a decoder. I think that in this app you can literally make programming with any language. Then SPC code reader, Git client, that is the app which I use to make multiple programming languages in just one app. With this app you can make multiple programming languages in just one app. So this is what guys you will find on this Google Play Store. And literally there are also websites on which you can check out. On just type on Google and write down C compiler online or Python compiler online and many more stuff. You will get little websites and stuff they available to make like literally coding on in mobile. But now the question arises that till what extent you should use like coding on mobile. Second question that is very important for you guys to know about this. So first of all guys, the most important reason to make on coding on mobile is you don't have any laptop. So my just recommendation will be, guys, you have to learn on mobile, and mobile is just atmosphere, or mobile provides the learning environment, not the working environment. That is what I wanted to tell. The best advice is just to learn on mobile and apply on computer and laptop, because you at the end of the day you need laptop or computer to make programming, because it is what like used in different companies, and where you will work there will be just laptops and computers, not the mobiles. And that is what I wanted to tell with this question. You require laptop at the end of the day. With just mobile you cannot do much more things, and by the latter extent, at some extent you cannot use mobile apps to make high level programming like coding, like games and stuff with just coding. You cannot use the mobile to make that. So that was it with this question. And thirdly, my personal recommendation will be start with the making coding on mobile, and later on just with freelancing or internship. If you have no cash with you to purchase a laptop, my personal recommendation will be go and check my playlists of freelancing and paid internship in college. So we'll get a start also with making the money online, and later on you can purchase a laptop for your own. And that is what I wanted to tell in this very video. So guys, this was it for today's video. If you learned something valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is at @prano_patil70. I post pretty much daily on Instagram about different stuff like in college and the stuff I upload on YouTube. I'm always active on Instagram also. You can DM me your queries on Instagram also. I'll be very happy to answer that in Instagram. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.